Balloony. It looks like it's hurting him.
It's sarcasm.
Oh, right. I keep forgetting.
We're falling!
Oh, we are falling.
Those guys need to learn about weight distribution. Whoa! Sorry, my stapler instincts just took over.
Wow, Beep and Free Food seem to think it's a race.
Guys, aim for the cliff. We need to delay the impact.
If we don't make it over the cliff, we'll be first to hit the ground.
We're not gonna make it!
How do we steer this thing? There's no way to change the airflow. Woody, you're a genius.
Everybody, we need to slow this plane down!
Well, I don't think our jabbing is enough.
Tape it, please! Wake up!
David, you're back.
I think we're gonna make it.